In the evening of February 7, 2024, officers from the Tontitown Police Department in Arkansas received a distress call from multiple other law enforcement agencies. According to news sources, the police were in pursuit of a stolen U-Haul van, one that allegedly traveled at speeds in excess of 120 miles an hour. Officers didn't know it at the time, but the occupants are in possession of multiple firearms and Molotov cocktails. Multiple agencies responded, including the Arkansas State Police, who are known to have a very aggressive pursuit and pit policy.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Didn't tell you because I was set up for TV.
Hey, we're at Barrington, East Philly now.
Eastbound 412.
I'm gonna got a body in.
Okay.
TBI, do not rush the vehicle. TBI, do not rush the vehicle.
Confirming a pit at Thompson and Dutch.
Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh my. Oh my. Dude, let's go see.
Copy, hi, on 14, always next.
Bro, what did I just witness?
Take it out.
14 heavily.
Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Dude!
Eastbound for Barrington, primary.
Ginger, do now. Okay. I'm with your signal.
Coming up.
No, not yet.
At the initial point of contact for this officer's TIV attempt, commonly referred to as a pit maneuver, the officer's speed tracker indicated he is traveling 101 miles an hour. For comparison, many agencies consider pits above 45 miles per hour to constitute lethal force, as you'll soon discover. Tragically, the officer's push bumper gets hooked on the U-Haul, resulting in complete loss of control of the squad.
Skittles. Start at 1016, talking to direct out, throw those.
Alright, now.
good. I'm good.
Alright, buddy?
I'm good.
Okay, come on.
I'm good.
You alright?
I'm good.
Get the passenger out.
Hey, shut up!
Shut the fuck up! Get out! Get out! Motherfucker, will kill you, motherfucker! Get out! Get out of the car!
Hey, K9, get out of the car!
Get out of the fucking car!
Hey, watch out! Get out! Hey, get out!
Show me your hands! Keep your hands up! Get out! Get out of the car! Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the fucking car! Car!
Watch out! Watch out! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Hey, pull that airbag. Pull that airbag. Yeah.
He's going out the back! He's going out the back! He's going out the back!
They got it.
I don't even have him, dude! This is so fucking ridiculous! Let's go!
Here, dog!
Did your car work out also?
We all have them. We got both suspects 10-15.
According to news reports, the pursuit began in Locust Grove, Oklahoma, and ended roughly 60 miles away in Springdale, Arkansas. 4 patrol vehicles were taken out of commission due to the damages incurred. The suspects allegedly face charges for aggravated assault, criminal conspiracy, possession of destructive devices, fleeing, battery, criminal mischief, and resisting arrest. According to news reports, these suspects are also wanted for attempting to run over police officers located over 700 miles away in Michigan. We found out about this incident thanks to safetyvid.org, which caught the crash on this Arkansas DOT camera. To get footage of your freeway crash caught on a traffic camera, go to safetyvid.org and download your video today.